If you like it, let's get started folding this paper airplane. We will use US letter size paper to fold this paper airplane. First, we will make an X fold. Take this corner and fold this edge to the edge. Open it up and then take this corner, fold the edge to the edge. And then take the top edge and fold down. Make the new crease go through the intersection point. And then fold the edge back up like this. Next, we will take the corner and fold the edge to the crease we just made. And fold the other side. And then fold it along the existing crease. And fold the other side. Okay, next we will tuck the layers into the pocket. Okay, we should get it like this. The next step, we will fold the wings along a line, which is the dividing line between the thick layers and the thin layers. And it will be easy to feel where it is. We will fold it up out 5.1 centimeters from the outer edge. Fold like this, and then fold the other side. Okay, next we will fold the winglet. Take the layers and line the two edges, and then press it and fold the other side. Line up the two layers and fold like this. Okay, the plane almost ready. We will adjust the wings and keep the two surfaces perpendicular, and also this side perpendicular, and also keep the two surfaces perpendicular, and also this side. And we will bend the back of the wings like this. Okay, we can throw it like this and hold its nose and throw it like this. Okay, the plane is ready. Thank you. See you next time.